Now when we open the Spazio3D cabinet page, our user interface look like this with the following icons. Now we'll focus on the top title bar icons. So the first button is nothing but the new option to create the new project, and near to that we have the new open option to open the existing files. By clicking on this drop down menu, we'll be able to see the recently opened files. And next we have save and save as option to save the particular cabinet, and there is a third option called as save the entity for the library. So this option can be used when we want to save that particular object to the library to the existing list. And then we have import option. So import option, here we will be able to import two kinds of files. First one is the Spazio3D file itself, and we can also import files from B cabinet. Then we have copy option. To copy option, we must select that particular cabinet and click on this icon and just click and drag and drop. So through this we can create any number of quantity of cabinets of that particular copy. So again, there is next option called as delete. So to again delete a particular cabinet, select on that particular cabinet and click on this delete option. So this can be also be done by clicking on the keyboard delete key, or can be used on the pressing by this icon. Now we also have redo and undo options to repeat our actions. So that's about redo undo. Now we have select option to select the particular cabinet. So in default this option will be always enabled. Now to rotate that particular project, you can click on this orbital rotation. So we may able to rotate, and we can use the scroll button for zooming in to see any particular joineries or anything. So again, to rotate the selection, will be when you are in orbital rotation, we will be not able to select any cabinets. Now again, to select the particular cabinets, again go to the selection. Then we will be able to select the cabinets. Now to pawn around, we can use this hand symbol pawn. We'll be able to move around the objects on the screen. Again, the shortcut for this is pressing the middle scroll button. We'll be able to move the cabinets. Now to zoom on, we can press this button. It will zoom on. And then we have various views. Just top view, bottom view, left, right view, front view and back view, isometric view, and finally the perspective view. So these are a few views. Now we can see here it is in textured view. Now to switch it to wireframe view, we have this symbol wireframe. So here we can see the doubles or any shells or partition which can be invisible, which are invisible when it is in texture view. So by switching it to wireframe view, we can see all type of doubles or shells or partition within the cabinet. So now to switch it back to solid view, we can click on this solid view. So it will just show you the solid view without any textures. Now if you want the textures, you can click on this show texture. So this is all about the basic views and commands on the top title.